Hi, I'm Laurie Schneider from Fix Catering out of Austin, Texas. Today, on behalf of Expert Village, we're going to show you how to make mini turkey and Parmesan burgers on pita bread. So now that we've got our pan ready, it's on a medium-high heat with the olive oil, and I've got my turkey burgers ready to go. We're going to go ahead and sear them. And the reason you want to sear your turkey burgers is it's going to give them a really nice caramelized flavor on the outside. It'll be nice and crunchy and brown and really good, and inside it'll be nice and soft and juicy. So we're going to take our turkey burgers and just place them into the pan. And we're just going to let them set. The other thing is you don't want to put too many of these in the pan because it'll drop the temperature of the oil and disrupt the sear. So we're going to put 5 and we'll do them in batches. And the key to searing is just to let them be. Don't move them around, let them form the crust, and then we'll flip them over and get the crust on the other side.